everyone, welcome back to your class 1 science class. Your 10th chapter, food and homes of animals, which already started, and we discussed about the homes of animals. So here one new thing, that is animals also live in homes which is made by us. That means some of animals which didn't make home, but they can live, and this home which is made by human beings. Human made home for them, for those animals, like cow. So people make shade for cows. People who make shade for cows for living them. Next is the horse. We make stable for horse. We make stable for horse. So where the horse live, this area or this place, this home, we call stable. And the next is the kennel, that is made for dogs. That is made for dogs. So dogs live in that short room, like short hut types rooms. This home. This thing we can call them kennel. 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 So we make kennel for dogs. And the next is we make aquarium for fishes. So we can keep those aquarium in our house, in our home, and we decorate them also, and some fishes we keep them in aquarium. So they can move in aquarium like a pond. They feeling like a pond or river or their home. So where we keep those fishes in our home, we called it aquarium. 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 So here in this chapter of food and homes of animals, first of all we learnt about the food of those animals. Like animals, and you know, those living beings like human, animals and plants, we all need food, right? We all need food to grow, to be strong, to be healthy, you know this. Like that, animals also need food to live. Animals also need food to live. Different animals eat different kinds of food, as we also eat the different kinds of food, right? Such as vegetables, fruits, and those fishes, meats, eggs, different kinds of food. Like that, animals also, those different animals also eat the different kinds of foods. Like plant eaters, which you already learnt about the plant eaters. Some animals eat only plants, leaves and grasses. So those animals we call the plant eaters. And their examples, and hope you remember it, they are cow, horse, elephant, giraffe, zebra, and etc. There are lot of examples of plant eaters who eat only plant, grass and leaves. No fish, no meat, no flesh. Okay, they only eat plants, leaves and grasses. Next is the grain eaters. Some of animals eat only food grains, like we supplied them also those wheat grain, rice grain also, paddy grain also. So those things they eat. So maximum or mainly they are birds. So some examples of birds are pigeon, sparrow, parrot, crow, etc. So there are also the examples of birds, a lot of examples of birds, and they mainly eat grains. They mainly eat grains. So we can call them also grain eaters. We can call them also grain eaters. Next is the insect eaters. Some of animals eat only insects. Eat only insects and those worms also, and that's why we call them insect eaters. We call them insect eaters because they eat only insect and worms. And their examples are spider, lizard, chameleon, etc. So there are also lot of examples of those insect eaters, and you have to remember their names like spiders, lizards and chameleon. So they are only eat insect and worms. Next is the flesh eaters. Flesh, that some of animals, they eat only the flesh of other animals. Flesh of other animals. So that's why we can call them flesh eaters. And their examples are lion, tiger, wolves and etc. So there are also lot of examples of those flesh eaters. They eat only flesh of other animals. So that's why we can call them flesh eaters. And the next which we learn, that is homes of animals, and that is that we live in a home, we live in a house, right? Like that, they also need a home to live, and they need home to protect themselves. As well, we need also home. You see, already learnt in the My Home chapter, right? That we need home to live. We can protect ourselves in home from those heat, cold, rain, thieves and those wild animals also. So here some of animals, they also need homes to protect themselves. They also need home to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain and the other animals also. So that's why some of them make their own homes, but some of them find their homes to live. They don't make their home. So here different animals live in different kind of home, and human, we have also different kinds of home, right? That pakka house, kacha house, which you know. And like that, those different animals, they also live in a different kinds of home. Like bird makes nest. I just told you that some of animals make their own home. Like that, birds make their own home, and that is we called nest. We call nest. And the next is the spider, and you know birds is food grainers and the grain eaters also, and the spider who is the insect eaters. So spider also make their own place, and that is web. We call them web, W-E-B, web. Next is the rabbit. Rabbit makes also their own home, and rabbit lives in a burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. So rabbit also make their own home, that is burrow. There are also some examples of those animals who don't make their own homes. They just find in the forest or anywhere, they just find and they live those places. So let's see their examples. First of all, lion. Lion don't make their home. They find a den, D-E-N, den, and lion lives in a den. Lion lives in a den. And the next is monkey. Monkey lives in a tree. Monkey lives in a tree. So we can see in our neighborhood areas also that there are in the trees we can see the monkey, and those monkey lives in a tree. Next is the snake. Snake who also don't make their own home. They just find any kind of hole and they live in that. So snake lives in a hole. Snake lives in a hole. And also some of animals which I just told you some in the start of this class, that animals also live in homes but which is made by human. And there are examples that cow lives in the shed which is made by human. Horses, we make stable for horses. We make kennel for dogs, Kennel, kennel for dogs, and the aquarium for fishes. So here are which we discussed in this chapter about the food and homes of the animals. So you have to read this chapter very attentively, and you have to remember this also, that where those animals live and which we call those homes where they live and which we call, and which things they eat. So there are also some different kinds of food of them, and they eat also different kind of food from each other. So we have to remember their examples also. Okay, and the rest, this part of the exercise we will discuss in your next class. So that's all for today everyone. Read this very attentively. Have a nice day and bye.